Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw Tweety Pie from Looney Tunes. Now, are you a Looney Tunes fan or do you prefer Tom and Jerry Warner Brothers? Oh, you can comment below on that one. I'm a Tom and Jerry Warner Brothers fan. Don't tell Looney Tunes. So, I'm going to start with the head first. Now, what I would do if I was you, I would turn your paper in the direction you're going. I'm going to try and do it. I've got a cutter on the end of my pen. I'm going to try and do it in one go. So, in fact, I might put the cheeks in first so I know where to stop. Where do the cheeks go? They come round to about... Sorry, I have to keep looking at my computer, which is at the side of me, because this is not my illustration. I am copying it. I usually do my own. So, there's his little cheeks. So now I know I can stop here. So I'm going to go round, create his... He's got a big head, hasn't he? Is he brainy? There we go. That's it. So we've met to that bit there. Now then, what shall I do next? Bring this down a bit more. He's only got a little neck coming in here. Oops. And this bit comes in actually. There. And then his neck comes in here. Okay. Next. Shall I leave the face till last? Right, yes, I think I will. I'm going to draw his little body first. That comes around. Where do we stop? I nearly drew it then without looking at the picture. I need to see the picture. I need to know where I'm stopping. Ooh, do you know, there's only that little bit there then. I'm going to stop there. And then I'm going to do underneath here. And then he's got some little panty bits. I'm not sure what you would call them on his legs. And then he's got massive feet. Huge feet. So I'm going to come round here. Again, turn your paper if it's uncomfortable. And I'm going to stop there. And then he's got his other toe coming in here. Are they toes on birds? I'm not sure what you call them. Do you call them? I'll have to look that up after now. Do they have toes? I do not know. Not sure. I know the talons on big birds, aren't they? But what are they on small birds? That is something I am interested in now. Right. There's his other leg. He's sticking his little bum out. What should I draw next? Wing? Or his little bum? I'll draw his little bum. There we go. And then we've got a little bit here. And then he's got his wing that comes in and goes behind him. Right, so we're going to go and go behind. Now this space here, I looked on my picture and looked at that space while I was drawing that. So I knew that that's a shape that I need, as well as the line around as well. So that's another tip. Now the wing's behind, so I'm going to draw this coming round and going behind just there. Okay, it's got a tail, which is like a leaf, I would say, leaf shape. Comes down a bit more on this side. There we go. Right, this has got a little pattern in here as well. So I'm going to look on my computer now. This foot is going to come over this foot, and I think I need to draw that a little bit more. So we're going to go round to here. So I'll do it first, and you know where to stop. All the way round to there. And then this one, all the way round. Just watch for a bit first, and then there we go. Stop there. There we go. There's his big feet. I need to do a wing on this side. Nearly forgot. So that's going behind. That's a good idea when you're drawing the cartoon. It's easy. If you don't like drawing hands, I mean, the birds have not got hands, has he? But if you don't like drawing hands, you can do this. Put them behind until you've got used to drawing hands. But I'll do some draw-alongs on hands anyway. But they are hard. It takes a lot of practice. So his little face now. Is he a he or a she, Tweety Bird? I need to look that up. What is Tweety Bird? I'm just going to have to look that up. Is he a he? Oh, he's got. Let's have a look. Let's see. I'm learning something. Gender. He's male. I was right. Right, let's get on. He's a very pretty. I thought he was, but then I looked at his lovely eyelashes. Usually do long eyelashes for cartoons that are female. Well, I've seen men with long eyelashes as well. There we go. So he's got his beak. Nice and easy, that one. So this bit is coming down. That one's going over. That one's coming down. And now the beak at the bottom is coming down. Okay, and you've got some little cheeks here. Makes him look cute, that, doesn't it? I've noticed something else underneath the eyes to make him look cute again. These little cheeks. These are things that are a good idea to make your character look happy. You would put these underneath your eyes. That works well. Oh, now I'm going to draw the eyes. A bit tricky. Oh, look, they've wobbled there a bit. That's why I draw in pencil. I've got lucky there because I think I might be able to rectify that bit there with the pupil. I'll do this side. No, I won't. I'll do this and I don't smudge it. Right, so the pupil's coming from here and it's going round. Where is it going to? I think around. Maybe to here. Let's have a look. See what it looks like. There. And then it's got blue eyes. So we need to do another around like that. Now I've done it right this time. If you notice on my draw-alongs, I always do it wrong. And what I mean by wrong is I always draw the wrong eye first. So if I'd have drawn this eye first, I couldn't see. And when I draw that eye, I can't see because my hand's in the way. So I can't make sure that it's the right size. Also, I'll smudge it and I do it every time. So this eye, now I can see that eye. In fact, I need to put these eyelashes in, don't I? So I'll forget. I'm talking about them. 3. So I think cartoons usually do. 3 it looks nice. Just looks good. So a lot of cartoons you'll find set of 3. Dennis the Menace was different. I did with Dennis the Menace the other day and he had 4 fingers like we do. But most cartoons have 3 fingers. I'll just draw this eye now. I can see my other eye now because I've done it right for once. I've still got it a bit wrong because that looks a bit bigger than that one. So he's got his eyes that are actually look like they're looking inwards. But they're looking at you. That's clever how they've done that. There we go. And then we need to do the other bit. Yeah, if you're doing your own cartoons and you're doing a book or a story, if you think about the hands, they're hard to draw, and they're easy with 3 fingers. So it's easier to do a character with 3 fingers than keep drawing a character with different positions of hands with 4 fingers. So just bear that in mind if you're thinking of doing your own character. You might be brilliant and be able to do it, but just think you've got to keep drawing that different positions. So he's got a little line on his tummy there. There we go. So what, have I missed anything out? Are we done? I think he may be done. So we've got Tweety Pie there. send me your pictures so I can put them on my gallery. That would be great. I like showing off other people's artwork. Also, if you want to get notifications from YouTube, if you subscribe to my channel, and I think you can click on the bell and it'll make, then you could choose whether to get notification or not when another draw along comes up. What else do I need to say? Anything else? I don't think so. If you could give my draw along a thumbs up, that helps it to be suggested to other people who may enjoy it. So thank you for watching. You'll find details of how to get in touch with me in the description section if you want me to draw a certain cartoon or a workshop on something, maybe drawing hands or movement or nature, anything. Just give me a shout if you want me to do something. I can't say that word. Specific. I think I did it right. Specific. Can't do it. So I'll shut up now and see you next time. Thank you for watching.